The SP451LF is a high-performance harvester head designed for efficient and productive thinning operations. When equipped with multi-tree handling, it becomes even more versatile, allowing for the felling and processing of multiple small-diameter stems simultaneously. The operator identifies a group of small-diameter trees to be harvested. The harvester's felling blade cuts through the stems, bringing them down. The felled stems are gathered and aligned using the head's hydraulic arms and feed rollers. The Warada 622 is a powerful and versatile harvester head designed for efficient and productive logging operations. It's known for its durability, reliability, and ability to handle a wide range of timber sizes and species. The 622 is built to withstand tough conditions and handle large diameter timber. The Warada 622 features a 3-roller design for effective single-stem processing. It also includes features like automatic dual stem and end alignment, auto-tension main saw, and 360-degree continuous rotation for improved log handling and reduced operating costs. A CAT 215 excavator, with its powerful hydraulic arm and bucket, can effectively pull over a large tree, especially when used correctly and safely. How it could pull over a big tree? First, secure one end of a heavy-duty chain or cable to the tree trunk, preferably at a point that will cause the tree to fall in the desired direction. Ensure that the tree will fall in a safe direction, away from structures, power lines, or other hazards. Position the excavator on stable ground, away from the falling tree's potential impact zone. Attach the other end of the chain or cable to the excavator's bucket. Initially, apply gentle pressure on the chain to test the tree's resistance and assess the best pulling angle. Gradually increase the pulling force, monitoring the tree's movement. Smooth, steady pulling is key to preventing sudden movements that could damage the excavator or cause the tree to fall unpredictably. Keep a close eye on the tree as it starts to lean. If the tree's fall deviates from the desired path, be prepared to adjust the pulling angle or apply additional force. Grubbing mesquite with an excavator can be an effective method for removing these invasive trees, especially in large numbers. The size of the excavator should match the size of the mesquite trees. A smaller excavator might suffice for smaller trees, while a larger one is better for larger, more established trees. A standard bucket can be used, but a specialized root grapple or thumb attachment can be more efficient for gripping and pulling out the root system. Use the excavator's bucket to dig around the base of the tree, exposing the root system. Sever the main roots using the bucket or a specialized attachment. Once the roots are severed, use the excavator to lift and pull the tree and its root ball out of the ground. Dig deeper to remove the remaining stump and root fragments. Use a stump grinder to remove any remaining stump and roots below the ground surface. The new mower chipper MH1302 from Schradenholz UG is designed for efficient harvesting of wood chips, particularly for short rotation forestry. This mower chipper is known for its low weight, easy transportation, and cost-effective operation compared to self-propelled choppers. It's a great option for those looking to efficiently harvest wood chips with minimal investment and operating costs. It could be attached to the front or back of regular tractors and handled 0.3 to 0.6 hectares per hour. MH1302 could adjust for G30, G50, and G100 wood chip standards. This machine can produce up to 40 tons per hour of fresh mass and 20 tons per hour of dry mass, suitable for single-row plantations like poplar, willow, and black locust. The installation of a John Deere H414 harvester head onto a John Deere harvester is a complex process that typically requires specialized equipment and skilled technicians. The H414 head is physically mounted onto the harvester's boom using specialized mounting brackets and bolts. The head must be precisely aligned to ensure optimal performance and minimize wear and tear. Hydraulic lines are connected to the head's hydraulic cylinders, ensuring proper fluid flow. Electrical cables are connected to the head's control systems, sensors, and actuators. The harvester's control system must be configured to recognize and control the H414 head. Testing and commissioning. The Ecolog 590D is a versatile and powerful forestry machine, often paired with the Kesla 28RH harvester head. This combination is a popular choice for efficient and productive timber harvesting operations. The 590D is a highly maneuverable machine suitable for various forestry tasks, including felling, delimbing, and transporting timber. Equipped with a powerful engine, it can handle challenging terrain and heavy loads. The Kesla 28RH harvester head is a high-performance harvester head designed for efficient and precise timber processing. It features powerful hydraulics for effective delimbing and bucking. When paired together, the Ecolog 590D and Kesla 28RH offer a potent combination for efficient and productive forestry operations. This setup is well suited for a variety of timber harvesting tasks, from thinning to final felling. The Warada HTH624C is a powerful and versatile harvester head designed to tackle large diameter timber. It's known for its durability, reliability, and ability to handle challenging logging conditions. Built to withstand the rigors of heavy-duty forestry operations, it delivers the necessary force for efficient delimbing and bucking of large diameter logs. The machine can handle logs with diameters up to 32 inches. It has features advanced measuring systems for accurate timber processing. The HTH624C is ideal for harvesting large diameter timber species like pine, eucalyptus, and oak. It's commonly used in operations where productivity and efficiency are paramount. The combination of a Valmet 911.3 harvester and a LogMax 6000 harvester head is a powerful and efficient setup for forestry operations. The Valmet 911.3 is a robust harvester capable of handling various forestry tasks, including felling, delimbing, and bucking. Its design allows for easy operation in challenging terrain. The operator cab is spacious and equipped with ergonomic controls for enhanced comfort and productivity. The LogMax 6000 is a high-performance harvester head known for its speed and accuracy. It delivers the necessary power for efficient delimbing and bucking. Advanced measurement systems ensure accurate timber length and diameter determination. Together, the Valmet 911.3 and LogMax 6000 form a formidable team for efficient and productive forestry operations. This combination is well suited for a variety of timber harvesting tasks, from thinning to final felling.